Nga po dito po, it's because hindi naman natin matiis na hindi mag-celebrate ng birthday ang ating birthday girl na si Angeline. So, I decided pa rin po na bilang nanay niya, I decided pa rin to make a party for her. A very simple one. I invited some of her classmates from school. And so this is the decoration. That's the giveaway that she's going to give to her classmates. There's something inside that box and it's very special because of that what's written on top of it. And so the decorations, of course, is with by me, and Michael and her cousin Gabby is with her during the night. And her cousin Gabby was had a sleepover that night for her birthday. And yeah, they're having fun. So we made the basement decorated for her. And so this is her classmates and friends. That's June and Fiona. And these are the treats that they're going to have when they're going to party. And they got the chance to, this is the plan for them to bring them to the art show. Because Angeline likes the arts, so she said she wants to bring them to the art show. So nagparty po sila. Oh, they're very nice. Wow.
You allowed to take it?
I think so.
Take one.
Go get the chocolate one, guys. Oh.
So I was in there giving it back.
Very nice. Did you like it? So nice.
I'm afraid I'd go to jail if I killed my husband.
Women who put bath salts.
Yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, for the ice cream. Yeah, the ice cream down the basically one here.
Get yourself sa bahay, and that's Angeline's cake. Siyempre, sponsored dyan ni Michael. It's a regalo po ni Michael sa kanya yung pa-cake. And they had spaghetti, they had chicken nuggets, they had fruits. That's her friend. Yeah, friends and classmates from school. Nagsasaya po sila.
This is so close to me.
Blow it out if possible.
No, an ever landed on me.
I don't think it blows out.
Yo.
More.
This
Yes,
one's gonna set up the one.
Wait, try to sing happy. Oh, the alarm!
Yo, come on. That's why you need to blow it.
No, I don't want to. Oh my god.
It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yay! Good job!
Sa trampoline. And then after ng mga kaibigan niya, mayroon in the afternoon, some of her close friends came, and then we had a boodle fight. Ayan, nag-boodle fight po kami. That's the dinner na po mga kaibigan. Some of her closest.
Something, wala kaming dahon ng saging kaya ngayon. Mag-grills kami. Wala kaming dahon ng saging. Pwede naman yan.
1, 2, 3, pass.
I like that.
1, 2, 3, pass. Ano ba yan?
Ay! Kailangan makabuo.
Paano makabuo?
Ay, nakabuo ka rin? Ay, hindi.
Hinahawa ko na yung ano.
Lakihan mo dito, dito.
Ay, hindi ko siya. Uy, kasi hindi siya nakakagap. Mataya kasi. Mataya kasi si tita. Ay, ganda ako talaga sa inyo. Binibidyohan tuloy ako.
Nagreklamo siya.
Oh, ayan.
Parang ko na yung inaga.
Yung lipstick para naman.
Hello guys, we are selling the bottles to my charity now. Thank you for helping me. It's really appreciated. Hello guys, we are currently here at the bottle depot to sell the bottles that I got, and I thank you all so much for helping me get all these bottles just in time for my birthday, and thank you. It is a big sacrifice, and we will be helping a lot of families, and a lot of families will be grateful for this money. Thank you. Remember, you are never ever too young to change the world, and just a simple act of kindness can go a long way.
Thank you.
Hey guys, so this is all the food that we got for the food bank, my birthday charity, and we bought a lot of stuff for the food bank, and we thank you so much for supporting me and getting me through this, and I'm so glad that I can make a difference in the world because I'm so young and because I'm only in a tiny grade. I don't know a lot, but if I can make a difference in the world, others can too. So thank you so much for helping us. Some of the foods that I got were bought in with my YouTube money. So if you guys keep supporting, liking, and viewing my videos, I will be able to buy more food and help more people. So I'm really thankful that you guys were here to support me, and the people that gave me bottles and gave me money were there to help me too. So thank you guys so much. Do you want to say anything? Want to say thank you?
Thank you.
Bye.
Ayan, maghatid na po tayo ng
Anak, nahulog yung karton, hawakan mo sa likod
groceries
niya.
sa food bank. Pero bago yan, bago natin ihatid, sunduin muna natin si Angeline sa school.
Hindi ka na mag-t-shirt, Dad. Ganyan na.
Hello guys, so ngayon po nandito na kami we are here in Angeline's school. We are going to pick her up. That's her school. We are coming to pick her up. Excuse po namin siya. We're going to the food bank. Baba po muna ako punta po sa office nila. Kashi, Angeline. Hi. We are here, Angeline.
Oh, where?
L7.
Where?
Calgary Food Bank.
Yeah, Calgary
Yes. At 7 dot.
Ari. Help me. Help me. Help me. Daddy,
We have to wait, anak ko. Daddy said, do you remember?
Mommy, help me.
6, 7.
Where is 7? Here? Oh. This is 7?
Bad.
Hello.
Calgary Food Bank. Hi, Kuya. Close the door, my love. Pashi?
Okay lang punta.
Ako na lang po.
Salamat po. You may check lang po.
Opo. Thank you.
Go in with me. Go in.
Galing po sa...
Stay back here.
Galing sa kanya. Birthday charity niya. Tapos nag-ano siya, nag-YouTube.
Yung kinita niya sa unang sweldo niya yan sa YouTube.
Wow, magaling yan. Madami na siyang follower.
Konti na lang naman.
Konti pa.
Pero meron lang konti.
Wow.
Thank you for sharing, Angeline.
Kasi nung unang panahon nasubukan din namin humingi dito eh.
Opo.
Meron na rin konti.
Nakakabawi pa rin.
Ngayon medyo okay na.
Okay ng sitwasyon natin.
May bigat anak ko.
Matagal na rin po kayo dito, no?
13 years. Love, get down. Dito mo lang. Yung mga lahat ng pagkain natin.
Oh, yan sa racking?
Wow.
Kahit mga grocery, close to 150.
Jelly, you're gonna get hurt, my love.
Pag nagbigay sila, hindi naman ho, truck naman po yung mga yan.
Matagal ka nagtatrabaho dito? Saan ka sa atin?
Sa Manila po.
Excuse me, love. Be careful, it's heavy.
Okay.
Kayo po, saan po kayo sa...
Sa ano kami? Abra?
Sa Itas.
North?
Yung asawa ko taga... Abra yung magulang eh.
Oh?
Mga aben.
Oh.
Angeline, wala na ka. Meron pa isang bata dyan sa loob, natutulog.
Tulog. Ilocano po kayo.
Puro. Basis naman sa Pangasinan.
Saan po po yan?
Sa Ipan ba?
Mother ko naman, taga Tagupan. Mainit dyan, walang aircon.
Yan, sarap. Sarap ng feeling, Angeline.
Mabigat yan.
Nung last time na birthday niya sa Pilipinas naman na pumunta. Oh, mga wheelchair, mga bigas, mga pagkain naman kasi ano, kasagsagan ng COVID.
Saan po kayo dito sa Alberta? Mismo Calgary?
Calgary dyan lang sa may southeast sa area.
Oo, sa Erin Hills. May kilala ko taga dyan eh, mga si Kuya Bal at saka si Ate Nina.
Oo. Kayo saan kayo dito?
Yan lang mo kami sa may likod ng Shilok, sa may mga apartment dyan. Tumawag ka.
Anak, no, use that po. That dito, anak. Dito po.
Hindi ko pa napilapan, nag-video kasi ako eh. Ayan.
Tapos kung gusto niyo magpa-picture, bigyan ko kayo ng parang karatula ng
Ay, sige po kuya, thank you.
Anak, move.
Para may ano, remembrance si Angeline.
Wait lang po ah.
Opo.
Kuya, baba ko lang ng konti.
Yes, lang.
Wala yung bata ko.
Wala.
Ayan.